Hi, I'm Teddy Eugenus.
And I'm Kyle Duroni.
This week, we're figuring out ways to actually get Ebola. That was really wet. I'm here with the lovely
Hayden Matarazzo,
Jordan,
Pat Kazi,
Ryan Lee,
Teddy Eugenus.
and I'm Stefano Simonelli. So, Teddy, how was your weekend?
It was good, you know. Played soccer a lot.
Do you know exactly, like the exact way you can get Ebola?
No.
Through contact.
through air, like if you cough.
through contact with bodily fluids.
That is correct. So, like, if you throw up on someone, if you sneeze on someone. I'm very. You know, diarrhea, stuff like that. That's how you can get Ebola.
You're so nasty.
Diarrhea.
That was gross.
Nothing really.
So if you throw up, if you sneeze. So Brian, how's your week going?
It's going good, man.
Yeah, good.
Trying to pick up a girl to, yeah. That's my duty today.
You're trying to pick up a girl.
Oh yeah.
I'm here with
Miss Samira.
Miss Mira. Do you know the exact way you can get Ebola?
Yes, from doing interviews for Spartan Update.
Not really. Give me the exact reason.
No one in here is going to get Ebola. Everyone is safe. Ew!